Lieutenant Mickey A. Haps, you are guilty of insubordination, unauthorized use of a classified military weapon, reckless endangerment, and conduct unbecoming an officer. Do you have anything to say, soldier?
Ellis needed my help, sir.
And in doing so, you disobeyed my direct orders.
Yes, sir.
You violated the protocols that govern this crew.
Yes, sir.
You nearly caused an armed conflict and a possible standoff with an allied nation.
Yes, sir.
As a matter of fact, you're lucky to be standing here alive right now, because I would have shot down your vehicle if necessary.
Yes, sir. Permission to speak freely. Ellis people weren't going to listen. They were going to ignore our warnings.
You don't know that.
Ellis knew. And I'm the only person who could have helped them.
That still doesn't give you the rights to take matters into your own hands.
With all due respect, sir, I've never been one to follow by the rules. At least this time when I broke them, it was for good reason. For something I believed in.
Look, son, I appreciate your principles, but I cannot ignore what you've done. Lieutenant Haps, I hereby reduce you to the ranking of ensign, and I sentence you to 30 days solitary confinement. Send Ensign Hack to the rig.